Did you know you can use castor oil for your skin? Castor oil has been used for thousands of years for its amazing healing properties and benefits. In this video, find out how to use castor oil for glowing, youthful skin, longer hair, and more. Castor oil can naturally give your skin a soft, glowing, firm look. It's the best remedy for wrinkles or dry skin. Castor oil contains ricin oleic acid, a penetrating moisturizer for your skin and hair. It also has powerful anti-inflammatory and antimicrobial effects. Many skin-related problems are caused by an overgrowth of bacteria, yeast, or fungus. Castor oil is the perfect antidote. You can even use it for acne. Castor oil contains vitamin E, which can protect your skin from UV radiation and pollution. It has potent wound-healing properties and can help fade dark spots for an even complexion. Castor oil contains beta-carotene, the precursor to vitamin A, which supports the skin. It also contains magnesium and potassium. Evidence suggests castor oil can help stimulate collagen synthesis, which is vital for anti-aging. Apply castor oil routinely to scars, stretch marks, and acne scars to help them fade. Many people dilute castor oil with other oils, such as coconut or olive oil, because of its thick and sticky texture. It can also be used as is. Take a couple of drops and rub them into your skin, focusing on dry, wrinkled, reddened, or irritated areas. Try using castor oil before bed, so it has plenty of time to penetrate the skin. Be careful using castor oil around the pelvic area or abdomen if you're pregnant, as it can induce labor. To use castor oil for hair growth, massage it into your scalp. This can help stimulate hair growth, especially if you have alopecia. You can also rub a few drops through your hair before bed. Look for organic, cold-pressed, hexane-free castor oil for the best quality and the most benefits. Many people have seen positive effects from Jamaican black castor oil. You can also use castor oil for eyelashes. Apply a small amount of castor oil to the root of your eyelashes daily to strengthen and lengthen your eyelashes. You don't have to worry about the toxin in castor oil because it's eliminated in the manufacturing process.